In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a Discord AFK channel for voice chat. If people in your server step away from their computers and forget they're still connected to a voice channel, Discord can automatically move them to a dedicated AFK space. This keeps active conversations clear and helps members know where someone went. Here's how to set it up from start to finish. First, open Discord and head to the server where you want this feature. You'll need a role with permission to manage the server. Once you're in, create a new channel, look for the Create Channel button, and when the dialog opens, give your channel a clear, recognizable name, something like AFK works great. Make sure you set the channel type to voice so Discord can move people into it automatically. When that's set, confirm by creating the channel. Next, open your server settings. In the left sidebar, find the section labeled Engagement. This is where Discord stores features that affect how members interact and how the server handles idle users. Inside Engagement, look for the Inactive Channel area. You'll see a drop down that probably says No Inactive Channel by default. Click that and select the AFK voice channel you just created. This tells Discord exactly where to place members when they've been idle too long in voice chat. Right below that, you'll find Inactive Timeout. This controls how long someone can be inactive in voice before they're automatically moved. Click the timeout option and choose the duration that fits your community. For a hands-off setup, 1 hour is a solid starting point. It's long enough not to interrupt someone who's just momentarily quiet, but it still tidies up voice channels without manual moderation. As soon as you select the timeout, your server settings will apply automatically. From now on, if a member is inactive in a voice channel for the amount of time you chose, Discord will move them to your AFK channel. This helps keep active channels focused and signals to others that the person is away. For clarity, you might mention your AFK policy in your server rules or channel topics so everyone knows what to expect. That's it. Your AFK voice channel is live and working behind the scenes. You created a voice channel named AFK, selected it as the inactive channel in server settings under engagement, and set the inactive timeout to 1 hour. Thanks for watching and enjoy a cleaner, more organized voice chat experience.